The Sacramento River, California's 384-mile lifeline, once lost 90% of its forests to dams and diversions. Now, in the summer of 2025, restoration winds breathe life back into its waters for nature and families. Decades of degradation fade as 6,000 acres of floodplain bloom, welcoming back Chinook salmon and birds, a win kids can explore today. In 2025, levees fall near Calusa, reconnecting the river to its floodplain. Led by the Nature Conservancy, this cuts flood risks and restores 10% of lost habitat. Tribes and volunteers plant trees along the Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge, stabilizing banks and reviving 5% of the forest cover lost since the 1940s. By June 2025, salmon runs rise by 15%, and water clarity improves thanks to restored flows. Eagles and otters return, proving nature's comeback. Kayak the Yolo Bypass or picnic by lush wetlands. Families enjoy a river reborn with habitats growing stronger every single day. Communities rally for cleanups, teaching kids about salmon. This shared effort, ensures the Sacramento's winds endure. From a 90% loss, 15% of the river's habitat and forest cover steadily rebounds in 2025, a triumph fueled by all who care. Subscribe to Corson's Best for more eco-river triumphs and family adventures.